Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing this clock that we bought from China. As you can see, the packaging is pretty small as it compares to my knife, which is quite a big knife beside the packaging. It has been opened before. Customs did open and reseal the package, so I'm just going to open it and then we'll see what's inside. Alright, so I've busted open the packaging. See, it's legit. I'm gonna dump all the contents here. So that's empty. Alright, so what do we have? We have a user manual, it seems. Nice pictures, but the language I cannot read. Okay, so this is more like my style. So it gives installation steps and it gives another set of installation steps. So let's see what we have otherwise from our instructions. Let's put that there. We have all these pieces. These look really nice and shiny. Let's group them by size. Alright, so we have what seems to be the face of the clock, along with some ornaments. The finish on these are really nice and it's protected by some form of clear plastic, which I am sure we will have to peel off after installing. We have the main clock unit, just a cheap regular clock unit that you find in any one of the little clocks on AliExpress or Wish, Banggood, or even Amazon. Basically, it's the go-to piece, and these are the arms for our clock. We have some tape. It's really small, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And then we have location paper. I guess they mean location paper, locating paper. But basically, what they want to do is put a paper on the wall, and then you place the pieces in the cutouts. You remove the tape from it, and you hang the clock face on the wall, and then they're done. And we're gonna see if it's as easy as they say. Full disclosure, I have done one already, so I am familiar with this, but for somebody who's just doing this the first time, I don't know how easy it's gonna be. So back over here, this is the location paper. As you can see, it's just a piece of paper with some cutouts in it. I cannot read what these symbols are, so if any of you guys know, please tell me in the comments. I'm gonna find a space to put this up and then have you guys join me. Okay, so the tape they supplied was not good. As you can see, I've had to replace it, and I'm using some much thicker masking tape, thicker than supplied, because let's get this going. And truth is, you really want this paper to be secure when you're doing this. So just stretch it out, and that's it. So location paper is up, and you can see the design. It's really nice. Not bad. I really didn't think I was going to like it, but I'm starting to see the picture now. We have these pieces all laid out now, and I'm going to start putting them on the wall. They are attached to the wall with some double-sided sticky tape on the back. And what I'm going to attempt to do is to align these larger ones so that as they move away from the centerpiece, the larger area is out, as you can see. So here, that would be the setting. Here it would be like this. Sorry, my camera skills are poor. Here it would be like this. I don't know if you can see that. And then down here it would be like that. And like that. I think. Yeah, like that. Something to that effect. So let me get these guys in and then we'll talk about the next set. The first piece is in place, and like I said, it also has a protective film over top, so you may not be able to see this very well, but there you go. So I will remove those after I'm done putting up all the pieces, because as you can see clearly right there, I already smudged it. So I'll take a couple minutes and I'll do that. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's coming together really nicely. A little pieces are there just waiting for the main piece. Now I am going to assemble that. I'm going to show you how to assemble that, and then we'll throw it up there and see how it looks. Alright, so we have 3 pieces remaining: the main faceplate, the main clock mechanism, and the hands. What I'm going to do now is I am going to strip off this protective film from the main faceplate. It does have some sticky back material here, but I'm not going to be using that, so I'm not going to be troubling that. What I'm going to use is, they provide a nail with this thing, but I don't want to put a nail in my wall, so I'm going to get some double-sided foam tape, some 3M tape that I have somewhere lying around. I'm going to search for that, and then we're going to put that thing up. But let's assemble it, let's see how it looks, and then we figure out how to mount it. You know, these things come with a lot of plastic wrapping. They will create a lot of garbage, so be mindful of how you treat your trash and don't litter the environment. As you can see, the finish on this thing is very reflective. It will make a nice accent piece in my room. If I had a dark surface like probably wooden finish on my walls, it would have been even better. So if you guys are considering this, consider putting it somewhere where it's dark, where there's a darker finish, so you'll bring out the gloss a lot more. Let's throw this thing together. So the main clock body here comes with a couple pieces. I'm using my one hand here because of course I'm trying to be the super cameraman. So this piece stays back here. Then the main faceplate, wow, it's flimsy. It just pops on like that. You put the washer in and the nut. So you don't have to kill this thing to tighten it. I'm trying to stay out of the shot. Forgive me, but I'm not really dressed for the occasion. And you tighten it down like that. Then the arms go on with the lower hand first, followed by the minute hand, and then the second hand. You get the gist. So I'm gonna tighten these up, fit it all together, make sure it's properly aligned, and then we figure out how to throw it on the wall. Alright, so the arms are on. As you can see, I've aligned them to midday or midnight or whatever you want to call it, and that's so that when I'm ready to adjust the time, it will be as accurate as possible. I will tell you that they did take some wrestling to get on there. These things they're just mass produced, so they're not made specifically for this piece, so you will have to do some massaging, a little pressing here and there to get them together, but they will work. The clock also takes one AA battery that does not come with the kit, so you will have to purchase that separately, and as I said, I will also be using some double-sided foam tape to fix mine to the wall because I don't intend on piercing a hole in my wall. I get that set up and then we'll mount the clock. I already did one of these clocks, so I'm a little bit more familiar with it, and I have matched my times, I think, as perfectly as I can get them. And you can see this one against the white backdrop, it's really beautiful. And that's what I was saying about this new one, that if I had a black backdrop to put it against, or maybe a wooden backdrop, it would look so much better. I have affixed my 3M tape, not a plug here for 3M, not a plug for Duracell either, just what I have on hand. I am going to now fix them to my wall and you guys will see the finished product. So here we go. Alright, so my clock is affixed. I haven't removed all of my mounting tape, but you can see the beautiful image that it is. Of course, when I removed the backing paper, it would have been more beautiful if the background had been a darker color, but hey, we have what we have and we work with what we have. This is the tricky part, removing the backing paper without altering time. Oh hell. And I've already have a tape fail, so that sucks. But that's what it is when you buy from Wish. You're wishing you're getting good stuff, yeah. Alright, so pardon me, excuse me. Sorry, step on your toe there. Okay, so backing paper is down, and you can also see that some of my pieces are coming in. Let me see if I can just eyeball this back into place. Alright, and we'll just go over all of them, and you can see the protective film as well. Sorry about that. It's coming off, so I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna remove all the protective film as much as I can, and these little ones will be a little bit harder. Looks like this one lost its film in transit, but they should all have it. Oh, and what do you know? One down. So let's see if I can get that back up there without destroying the tape. Alright, was like that. Yep. So let's see if I can eyeball this back into place. So my gaps may not be perfect, but please, please don't crucify me. And we have it. Damn it. Let's just finish this up. So lifetime expectations, I'm not expecting much from this. The other one felt a lot better, it went on a lot better, and I didn't have pieces falling off the same day I put them up, so I'd say these things, they're just for show, really, not much else. I think that was right there. I may be wrong, forgive me if I am. I'm not going to be referencing the video to put this back up, because let's face it, if they're falling off already, they're not going to be staying for very long. So they're just visitors here for now. But let's see how well I can make it look while it's here. My fingerprints will be all over this thing. Not my fault. I didn't ask them to come down. They're just too jumpy. Alright, so it's done. And let me turn the lights off and let's see if we can really pick up some natural light on that thing. Look at it, it's like a couple pieces of a mirror. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's sticking pretty loud, so not the smoothest system in the world, but it does look really, really, really good. Yeah, it's done. Clock install. I did it, and I thought I couldn't. So awesome job. Thank you guys for joining me. Please like, share, subscribe, for more. I will be putting up more. I've been on YouTube for almost 10 years and I don't have a lot of content, but I will be putting up more content. I will also tell you why I'm hopping on YouTube in the future, so look out for that video. If I can find links to this thing, I will definitely share links. I'm not an affiliate with anybody as yet. Maybe in the short to midterm I will be, but we see how it goes. Leave me your comments, let me know what I did wrong in this video. Leave me some positive feedback. Please help me to improve my skills. Help me, just let me know what you think about my video, about my video skills, which aren't very good. Let me know where I can improve. I will be trying to improve. I will be trying to do better in the long run. So hopefully we can make this channel grow. I am Samuel. This is my clock unboxing and install video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.